visiting my parents' farm today in rural Alberta. And despite growing up in this area my whole life, I never really appreciated how beautiful it is out here, especially in the summertime when the crops are just starting to ripen. So I thought, why don't I take a little time today, pull my drone out, and show everybody around the world the beauty of rural Alberta. If you've never visited the Alberta Prairies before, make sure you try to come during late summer or even the fall when harvest begins. The beauty of the fields is so amazing. My parents live on a farm near Drumheller, Alberta, on a property that has been in our family for a couple of generations. They have lovingly nicknamed it Ritchie Park, and I have to agree that it has a nature park feeling to it. Surrounded by fields of wheat and canola, Ritchie Park is a great place for my family to congregate in the summer to eat, play games, and just spend time together. Now that I'm older, with kids of my own, I appreciate the farm and what it offers so much more. I decided to make this video in tribute of my parents and my grandparents who worked so hard to make the farm such a wonderful place, as well as a tribute to how beautiful rural Alberta can be. We started by exploring the wheat fields with the kids and my mom. So peaceful out here this morning, riding my sweet trike down the country roads. One of my favorite places is being inside a wheat field. I love how the wind ripples over the wheat stalks and makes it look like water. This beautiful field behind me is called flax. It has beautiful light blue, almost purpley kinds of flowers which look glorious in the sunshine. Vibrant yellow canola fields are also another Alberta favorite of mine. My parents love their farm, Ritchie Park, and I count myself lucky to be able to visit there and spend time exploring the beauty of Alberta's prairies. Watching the crops turn a rainbow of colors as they ripen is truly special. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my friend Caen Myles' original songs. He wrote the second track you heard in this video, especially for me and for beautiful rural Alberta, so check out his link in the description box below. I hope this video convinced you that rural Alberta in the summer is one of the most beautiful places on earth. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and also give me a comment. I'll do my best to respond. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos.